TradingView Reset Paper Trading Account. How to reset your demo account. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset your paper trading account in TradingView. If you want to start over with a fresh virtual balance, clear your trading history, or test a new strategy from scratch, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First, open TradingView and sign into your account. Then, open any chart and make sure your paper trading account is connected. If it isn't connected yet, click the Trade button, select Paper Trading, and click Connect. Once your paper trading account is active, open the trading panel and locate your paper trading account. Click the Settings or gear icon next to the account name. Inside the account settings, click Reset Account. TradingView will display a confirmation window where you can customize your new paper trading account before completing the reset. Here you can change your starting balance, select a different account currency, and adjust leverage settings for different asset classes. After you've entered your preferred settings, click Reset to confirm. It's important to understand what happens when you reset your account. TradingView permanently removes all open positions, pending orders, completed trades, account history, and profit or loss records. Once the reset is complete, you cannot recover this data. If you don't want to lose your existing paper trading account, TradingView also allows you to create multiple paper trading accounts. This is useful if you want to test different trading strategies while keeping your previous account and trading history separate. After the reset is complete, your new virtual balance will appear immediately, and you can begin placing paper trades with your updated account settings. Here's a pro tip: set your paper trading balance to match the amount of capital you plan to trade in real life. Practicing with a realistic account size helps you develop better position sizing, risk management, and trading discipline. And that's how you can reset your paper trading account in TradingView. It's a quick way to start fresh with a new balance, currency, and leverage settings while improving your trading skills in a risk-free environment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.